Memory is the foundation of identity, and identity is your defense against intrusion from the outside. Identity is where I end and you begin. If you don't have an identity, you're wide open. You're wide open. If you don't have memory, you don't have identity. So the disruption to memory in the dissociative state creates identity disturbance, identity disturbance. And then you're not able to resist intrusion. But even when the abuser is gone, there's no ability to reconstruct because there's no memory. After the abuser is gone, this continues. Why? The glue that holds your identity together is gone for that period. So you don't have any firewall. You don't have a way to fight back these emotions. They linger, they linger, they linger because you don't have memories of being you. During this period, you have memories of being her, but not memories of being you. They all involve massive disruptions to memory, to continuity and congruence of memory. This is what the abuser is doing to you. And so you can't recover because you can't retrieve your memories. After you had retrieved your memories, you can reform your self, and then you can get acquainted with it. And then you're able to tell which voices are real and which are not, but not before. When the self is not constellated, is porous, and so on, you have psychosis. The psychotic person confuses internal objects with external objects because he has no constellated self. The minute you have a self, which must be constructed on foundation of continuous memories, continuous memories. So the minute you have a self and the dissociation is gone, the shared fantasy will crumble. The shared fantasy will crumble, cannot be sustained, cannot be sustained. The shared fantasy will crumble.